always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, good evening. We've had some really beautiful days over the last several, and we're going to continue this sunny streak. So right now we have technically partly cloudy skies. A few of those high clouds are rolling on through, and that's associated with a cold front. But as far as storm chances go, even though we have that cold front stretching on through, we just have a small chance of a storm overnight tonight. We need the rain, though. We're about 1 to 2 inches drier than usual over the last 2 weeks for all of West Michigan. So rain is going to be something that we're looking forward to, but we have to wait for until we get closer to the weekend. Now, towards the weekend, heat and humidity are going to start to creep back in. So the next couple of days should be pretty comfortable. Here's a look at Storm Track Live, and again, you can see a bit of that cloud cover. You can see 1 or 2 showers, but they're very slight. This is basically what's going to be tracking on through from the north to the south overnight. And I think our best chance of a shower will be close to I-94, and that'll be closer to daybreak tomorrow. So with cold fronts, we usually wait for that warm, humid air to get scoured out and replaced by cool, comfortable air. But the temperature difference isn't really all that significant ahead of and behind that front. So we have the cold front coming down, but the air that's replacing it is going to be very similar to what we already saw today. So more beautiful weather like we saw today. This is a live look outside in Lake Macatawa, where our temperatures are sinking down into the 60s. And tomorrow we're going to be bouncing up to 86. Today we are at 89. So basically just 3 degrees cooler. We hold on to that comfortable trend for Wednesday. Both Tuesday and Wednesday should stay comfortable at those lower humidity levels. But once we get to Thursday, we start to see things change a bit, and that's when our humidity starts to increase and we start to get a shot at 90s. So Futurecast looks like this. This is 6 a.m. You can see the cloud cover, so tomorrow morning when you wake up, you'll probably notice some of this cloudiness, but showers should be pretty few and far between, and I'm thinking most of us are going to stay completely dry. As this moves on out, there is still a very, very slight chance at about noon tomorrow that we could see a pop-up shower right around I-94, but again, I think most of us are going to be staying on the dry side as this moves on through. So tomorrow is going to be a pretty nice beach day if you can cut out of work a couple of hours early. Watch for some of these green flags to switch to yellow just in case. Otherwise, it should be a nice swimming day with water temperatures in the 60s and the 70s, waves 1 to 3 feet. All right, we've got a lot of 80s until we get to the weekend, and then it's back into the 90 zone. It's looking like 90, 92, and then maybe 90 again. We've already seen some 94s with a lot of heat and humidity. In fact, we've seen 11 so far this year. Usually we only see 8. And it's kind of typical that we're getting them right now. Hottest weather is usually June 30th through July 25th, but still we're already above average ahead of the game.
Wow. Yes, we are.
Get Ellen's permission to get out of work a couple hours early.
Yep. Yes. I'll sign all the notes, right?